Best Sport Touring Motorcycle, CFMoto 650 metric tons review. Is this the best entry sport tourer? In the world of sport touring motorcycles, the CFMoto 650 metric tons continues to surprise riders and reviewers alike. As a budget-friendly midweight tourer from the Chinese manufacturer CFMoto, the 650 metric tons has steadily built a reputation as one of the best entry-level sport touring motorcycles available today. Equipped with a 649 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine derived from a proven Kawasaki platform, the 650 metric tons produces approximately 60 horsepower, offering a smooth and predictable ride ideal for newer riders or those stepping into the touring segment without breaking the bank. The bike features adjustable suspension, tall windscreen, upright ergonomics, and optional hard panniers, making it well-suited for long-distance comfort and utility. One of the biggest advantages of the 650 metric tons is its incredible value for money. Priced significantly lower than its Japanese and European rivals, the CFMoto 650 metric tons delivers surprising performance and touring features for its class. As more riders look for affordable entry points into sport touring, this bike's low MSRP combined with decent build quality makes it a top contender. YouTube success, global attention grows. On YouTube, the CFMoto 650 metric tons has earned praise from creators around the world. The review by Motorcycle Adventures titled CFMoto 650 metric tons long-term review, shockingly good, has garnered over 500,000 views, with riders commending its real-world touring capabilities. Another viral video by Itchy Boots, a popular motorcycle travel vlogger, featured the 650 metric tons during one of her long-distance rides, giving the brand international exposure and positive feedback. In these videos, viewers note the 650 MT's comfortable upright seating, fuel efficiency, and solid stability at highway speeds. While it may lack the refinement and advanced electronics of pricier rivals like the Tracer 7 GT or Versys 650, the 650 metric tons delivers what it promises: reliable touring on a budget. Many reviewers highlight the bike's lightweight chassis and neutral handling, which make it approachable for less experienced riders. With a fuel tank capacity of 18 liters, the 650 metric tons also offers decent range for long-distance touring. Riders who customize their setup with aftermarket windscreens and luggage find it even more versatile. Not without trade-offs. Of course, the 650 metric tons isn't perfect. Some users report basic switchgear, limited dealer networks in some regions, and lack of advanced rider aids like cruise control or cornering ABS. However, these trade-offs are often acceptable for riders focused on affordability and practicality. As more touring riders seek budget options in 2025, the CFMoto 650 metric tons continues to rise as a strong option. For those who value function over flash, this bike might just be the best entry-level sport tourer available today.